Are you getting the message Face ID is not available? Try setting up later on your iPhone? This can happen for a few reasons like software glitch, a settings issue, or even a hardware problem. But don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix this problem. Solution 1. Quick settings check. First, let's start by checking your settings to see if something simple needs to be adjusted. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Accessibility. Keep scrolling and tap Face ID and Attention. Now make sure the following options are enabled. Require attention for Face ID, attention-aware features, haptics on successful authentication. If these options are already on, turn them off and then back on again. If you can't find these options here, then go ahead and run a hardware test for Face ID. Solution 2. Run a hardware test for Face ID issues. To rule out any hardware issues, follow these steps. Go to the App Store, search for Check My Device, install and open the app. Scroll down and look for Face ID test. Tap Begin Test. Check if your Face ID works during this test. If Face ID doesn't work here, then it might be a hardware problem. In that case, you'll need to visit Apple Care. But before you go, try these 2 quick setting fixes. Before jumping to Apple Care, let's try these quick setting tweaks. Solution 3. Reset Face ID. Let's try resetting Face ID to see if it helps. Open Settings again, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. After that, tap Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up again. This can help if Face ID has developed some recognition issues. Solution 4. Update your software and reset all settings. Next, let's make sure your software is up to date and reset your settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Face ID is not available issue on your iPhone. If the problem still persists, it could be a hardware issue. I'd recommend reaching out to Apple support for further help. Let me know if these steps worked out for you or if you have any more questions.